If you just got a new mobile phone or think you need a new one, then this video is for you. Hi, this is Karen Cole from Legal Minded Friends, and I'm going to show you how to clear out some data if you use WhatsApp. My step-by-step guide on how to remove data will give your phone better performance. Did you know WhatsApp stores additional copies you have forwarded on to other people? Before we get started on cleaning up your data, you should organize your gallery. So let's look at some cool features most smartphones have. The reason you want to organize your albums is so you don't accidentally delete a video or photo you want to keep. So let's quickly look at how you can do this. Before you start deleting anything, you should try to clean up your gallery. So if you click on your gallery, you'll find your albums, and these are sometimes called folders. And what you want to do is clean up. So, for example, there's camera, it says 1657, and then there's another camera, but it has a little SD card with it. So that means it's internal storage, because there's my SD card down there. So that's completely different. So you've got your camera storage. So if your camera is lost, you've lost all your photos. If you've got your photos stored within the camera itself, the phone itself, then they will most likely be able to be retrieved. So, but just for example, if you want to organize these, just move them, you hold them. If I want my two cameras to be beside each other, now that's what will happen. And as you can see here, look at how many WhatsApp images I have. 2,438. And WhatsApp videos, I have 300 or 30. So but I have been cleaning up. So the other feature I want to let you know about, because I want to start cleaning up my WhatsApp images to give me some space. So you go to the top of your camera and you should have three little dots. And what you're looking for is create album. So now I want to call this keepsakes. Yeah. So now I've created that. And the cool thing is you can go into your WhatsApp videos now and you can click on the ones you want to move. So you want to say more, and it will give you a choice to move this album, all these photos, to your special album, which I will move to my keepsake. So what you want to do is make sure you've done that to all the ones that you want to save. So if I do that, so if I do this, because they're going to be quite a few of them, and they're taking up a lot of space. So then I can move them. So I move them to keepsakes. Now you can see they've moved. So you can do this procedure with your WhatsApp images as well. Create new folders and move them to them. And as you can see, my videos have gone down to 18. So that will be good for when I'm cleaning up my WhatsApp. Now, once you've started deleting, you will see that you'll get the three little lines at the bottom will have a little highlighted dot on it. So you click that, and then you should go to your recycle bin and say empty. And that will start deleting more of them. So that just gives you more space as well. Now for the steps in deleting on WhatsApp, you'll have to go to your WhatsApp icon. And I won't push this because I don't want anybody's private information to be divulged. So I'm going to push that, and then we're going to go through the 6 easy steps on how to clean it up. This part might be confusing. We are just going to look at deleting within WhatsApp software. You have hopefully now saved all your important keepsakes, and I also want you to notice the number of images and videos that show up in your gallery. And this screenshot is from my gallery. I have 2,438 images and 18 videos. If you just got a new phone, remember the internal storage I told you about. This is the data that will transfer over from your old phone to your new phone. And that's why it's really important to take a copy when you're in your old phone and save it to internal storage, so that when you get a new phone, you'll be able to move everything over. You cannot move over stuff that's been saved on your phone, only what's been saved with internal storage. The problem is, if you have not deleted properly on your old phone, you will find all these in your new phone taking up space. So back to this screenshot. Your gallery will have 2 folders for the WhatsApp, videos and images. These will be a mixture of what you sent via the paperclip icon when sending a message within WhatsApp and what others have sent you. You will not see the duplicated photos and images that you forwarded whilst you were in the WhatsApp. Those will be in the WhatsApp program, and that is what we're going to delete, what I'm going to show you in the 6 steps. So saying this differently, if you took a photo from your camera storage and then forwarded it within WhatsApp, they will also be in your camera storage. If you sent directly using WhatsApp by holding down the WhatsApp icon camera when you were sending a message to somebody, these will be deleted permanently. So that is why you may want to move some keepsake photos over to another folder, and I have shown you how to create folders within your gallery. So let's get started. Even if you don't do everything I just told you about to clean up your data, if you just delete the multiple images and videos, and saving one for yourself, this will free up loads of data. So the 6 steps are easy to follow, and I will go through each one. But before I do that, so now I want you to be able to visualize what a gigabyte, megabyte, and kilobyte data is. With 1 gigabyte, you can watch 1 hour and 20 minutes of a movie. And 1 gigabyte is about 500 photos. And the average photo uses between 100 and 200 kilobytes. A standard 3-minute voice message uses about 500 kilobytes. You can find out how much data is being used in the details of your photo or videos. Step 1. Click on your WhatsApp icon from your phone dashboard. Step 2. Click on the 3 dots in the top right of your screen. Step 3. Click on Settings. Step 4. Click on Storage and Data. Step 5. Click on Manage Storage. This is easy so far, isn't it? Step 6. Click on Review and Delete Items. When Step 6 opens, you will see all the multiple copies you have. Remember to save one, but the rest can be deleted. Look at all the duplicates I found on my phone. The option when deleting will ask you if you want to delete all copies sent. This is why I think you should make sure you have a copy in one of your internal folders, because saying yes to delete all then will not affect your saved copy. Look at my before and after. I gained just over 1 gigabyte by deleting duplicates. When you see the performance change, you will be addicted to just cleaning out duplicates. Imagine how many times you've sent something forward and how many groups you're in. So all the multiple copies that you have make a huge difference when deleted. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. At Legal Minded Friends, we assist litigants in person. That means you want to settle the matter without using a solicitor. So being able to follow simple directions will be a necessary skill, as the court will give directions that must be followed. And we help you with that process. So contact us if you have a legal worry, and subscribe free on our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram. And please like and share this video, as you never know who it might help. Thank you.